Hello, we are the Bring a Trailer local partners for the San Francisco Bay Area, and we are excited to bring you this 1987 Porsche 928 S4 with a remarkably complete history. This is an alumni car. Our client purchased it on BAT in June of 2023. It was owned by a former editor-in-chief of Road and Track, and we'll tell you more of this remarkable story after a cold start and a quick drive. This car is now available on Bring a Trailer at no reserve. It will be going home to the highest bidder. We have the window sticker and virtually all invoices from new. The current owner logged every single data point of this car's history with a spreadsheet featuring 2,841 entries. This car was formerly owned by Larry Webster, editor-in-chief of Road and Track. He picked it up as a forlorn example. Fortunately, it would pass through various hands until the last two owners spared no expense to bring this car back to its full glory. This is an amazing driving car and is now available on Bring a Trailer. For more information, visit us at GenowAutoWerks.com. Thank you.